Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the waterproof 3D mesh vest. So this uses the same technology as their D1 hybrid dry suit in that it has sort of dual layer material that's separated by tiny little hairs so that you can't actually compress it. So this maintains a constant layer of air over your core. So this is made to be worn sort of in conjunction with your undersuit. For when it gets a little bit colder, you can sort of put this on underneath. That's going to bulk it out, so you always have that sort of extra air over your core, which is very important to keep yourself nice and warm. So over the chest and over the spine, which I'll show you a little bit later, you have 3 layers of material. So this material, if you press it together, it won't actually compress. So that means that one, you always have a constant layer of air over your body, which when you're sort of sitting horizontally in the water, you've got all of your body weight bearing down on it. Most sort of undersuits are going to compress, and that means that there's no insulation in front of you, whereas this maintains a constant layer of gas. One, it keeps that insulating air, but 2, it also means that airflow is going to be increased, so you're always going to be able to ditch gas when you need to, so it's always going to be moving around your undersuit. So the material itself has a decent amount of stretch in it, so if you're moving around, it's not going to restrict you in any way. And because it's fairly thin, it's not too bulky in itself. Of course, you have a zipper to get in and out of it, and it's sort of much the same on the inside as it is on the outside, but it does have a very long profile, so you get plenty of sort of overlap between your trouser section and the vest itself. So you're never going to have that exposed section. It's a little bit thinner around the sides and over the shoulders, but then down the spine again you can see we have a slightly thicker section, and then over the kidneys where your weight belt usually bears down on, it's got that sort of maintained layer of gas, so it's going to keep you nice and warm and well insulated, so it's going to keep you warmer in the water. So this is a great addition to your existing undersuit. It's going to keep you that little bit warmer when the water temperature starts to drop. This is the waterproof 3D mesh vest. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.